So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for COC app. So when you find the COC app or the Clash of Clan app, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. You are going to see this pop up, which is app info. Tap on the app info to open app info. After that, tap on the permissions to make sure this camera permission is allowed. After allowing it, tap on the force stop and tap on OK. Now tap on notification and make sure the show notification is toggled on. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction, which depends on your phone that you're using. So make sure the background data is toggled on like this. So after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache. Now tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. Now go back, don't tap on the clear storage or else you're going to lose your levels that you've played or your tools that you have get on the Clash of Clans app. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go back to Google Play Store. Tap on it when you find it and try to search for COC or Clash of Clans. When it appears like this or when it comes like this, tap on it to open it and make sure you have the latest update of this app. When you see updates over here, just tap on it to update it, but when you see play, just leave it like that, which means you already have the latest update of the game. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while, then you tap on reboot or restart, and this command is going to turn your phone off, then turn it on again. And after turning it on, the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends who are also facing this problem.